Alright, so this connector down here is actually broken, so we're going to go ahead and, it's not really important, but it's broken off inside. So basically, we need to redo it. If we can get this to come out of this one, we won't have to redo both of them. We'll just take this off of here. This is the idea that they had with these little things here. You can use these. A lot of times I would get these with I'd order connectors, but they weren't that good. So we need to get this to back out of here a ways. See, we just actually pulled the whole frickin' thing. This one here, I don't even have to do anything with it, but yeah, so actually this one here, I could just put another connector on it, except for I just gotta get this out of there. So that's not a good example, but well, we'll just go ahead and use one of these, the ones that they got here. It might be easier to just cut it off, but I mean, it's good to go. That's the part about it. I hate to waste. Let's see how well they fit in each other. So basically, some of these are really sloppy, and some of them are not. That one's pretty good. So you would take this like this. This doesn't even fit these ones. Funny. You can kind of do that, but yeah, they don't all fit. So these are all pre-made. That's the problem, and it wouldn't make much sense to cut that off at this point. But if we had it cut off, we would use the crimpers. So if I can't get this out of this one, then we will just cut it off and put another one on there. But I got it out. So what happened was this got stepped on because it's in a spot where it's in the way. So yeah, so much for making a video doing that. So basically, all we got to do at this point is just take one of these here and box in. I'll be really pissed if this doesn't match. Okay. We got this one here. We don't have to worry about it. Yeah, I really wanted to use these crimpers just to see how they do. I'm kind of curious in looking at these. Let me get this plugged in because time's ticking, solar's going. Didn't really click. Anyway, that's done. You get the extra piece here. See, also with that, you have the ability for water intrusion. These things are not exactly waterproof in the first place. Now don't make a mistake I've made before where you accidentally put these in backwards. So one will only fit in one, and I believe the bigger one goes inside that one, and then there's basically a male inside the female. So this one here sits down in there, and then that goes boom, like that. These have a good fit. These seem to be actually decent, or maybe not decent. It's pretty tight. Sometimes these can be sloppy and they cause heat generation, and that becomes a problem. So let's take a look at this just real quick. So we guess put it in there like that and be done. Anyway, it's done. We didn't get a chance to use that, unfortunately, but we did use parts from it.